Subscribe to Femina and press the bell icon.
Guys, my name is Swati and today's video I'm going to show you how to apply a foundation. So starting to prep my base, the most important step is the moisturizer. So I have a combination skin and I tend to get oily on my T-zones, so I'm using a gel based moisturizer. So I'm taking a good amount and I'm just going to massage it into my pores. So if you have extremely dry skin, then you can go for a cream based heavy moisturizer. It'll keep it very hydrated throughout the day, but I tend to get oily naturally, so I'm sticking on to a gel based moisturizer. So after using your moisturizer, the second very important step is a primer, and the primer is so important that it really creates a beautiful canvas for you to apply the foundation, and a little can go a long way. Yeah, so not much. So we're all well prepped after the moisturizer and primer. So now moving on to the concealer. I make it a point to use a concealer before I use the foundation. A lot of people have their ways of doing it. Some people use their foundation and then they move on to the concealer. But I'm using the concealer first. And I'm just going to cover the smallest dark spots, under eye area. Wherever I see a little bit of discoloration. Okay, and I'm just going to use a blender to blend in the concealer. After I blend my concealer really well, I move on to the main part of this video, is the foundation. Okay, so foundation, there are different kinds of foundation. There's liquid foundation, there's stick foundation, there is mousse foundation, and there is powder foundation for a matte effect. Okay, so you can choose your foundation according to your skin type. So if you have like a dry skin, I would suggest you to go for a liquid creamy foundation so it keeps it hydrated. If you have like super duper oily skin, stick on to the matte powder finish foundation. You can just dab it all over your face and then you get a super matte finish. So today I'm going to go for a liquid foundation, and I'm just going to take a bit. How to check if the foundation is exactly your skin color is I suggest you guys to swatch it on your neck before you pick up your shade. So I'm just going to do the same here. Okay, a bit, and then I just blend it to see if it's my shade. Voila, it's exactly my shade. So I'm going to go for this so I'm just going to go for this shade and dotting it all over my face first. So once I've dotted the foundation all over my face, I am going to blend it using a buffer brush. Okay, you can either use a buffer brush or a beauty blender. So here, I prefer a buffer brush because it gives you a very evenly, buffed effect, and it's not going to, give you an uneven skin tone. It's going to equally merge everywhere. For the final final base of the foundation, if you are a matte girl like me, I usually go for a compact powder or a loose powder on top of my foundation. And if you want to make it all glossy and glam, then I suggest you to go for 2 to 3 drops of liquid highlighter and mix it with your foundation, your liquid foundation, and go all over your face. And don't forget to invest in a really good setting spray that it gives you a really beautiful natural finish. To finish off my look, here I'm going with a rose pink blush. It's got pretty strong pigment, so I'm just going to apply it really teeny tiny bit. Not forgetting to highlight my cheekbones, bridge of my nose, forehead, cupid's bow. And I'm finishing this look by applying this beautiful bubblegum pink shade. And I'm done. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if there is anything else that you guys would like to see, please drop in the comment section below.